Whoa, up. Whoa, up, whoa, up, whoa, up, whoa, up.
Good morning.
Hi.
Are you open?
Yeah.
Can I place an order? Come along with us today to see what we're serving up on our food truck. Excuse me, is this your menu here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'd like a taco, please. Can I have a spicy taco?
Whoa, up.
Order up. What kind of juices do you have?
Banana.
Banana?
Grape juice.
Grape juice?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay, can I have strawberry, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Mmm, delicious. Look at this red strawberry juice. A medium red strawberry drink.
Table.
A hamburger? Thank you. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. What do we have on this hamburger? We have bacon, avocado, and burger. Hamburger meat.
Hey, Mama, up.
I didn't order a little guy.
Yeah.
No, I can't eat him. And a little girl too. I did not order those two people.
Whoa, up.
That's what I ordered. Thank you, a taco.
Whoa, up.
Oh my goodness, I'm going to be so full.
Hey, Mama, up.
Oh my goodness, a brownie pizza? What are you giving me? What is all this food? A helicopter? Wow, you have given me so much. I don't think I have room in my tummy for all this food.
Yeah.
I do?
Bye-bye.
Oh, you're driving off? Okay, hold on. Let me throw all my trash away, please.
Bye.
I gotta throw away my food. One moment, please. Into the recyclables. All right, I'm all finished.
Whoa.
You're closed?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Thank you. Bye.
Mama house.
You're at Mama's house? You're open. Okay, good.
Hi.
Good morning. Welcome back.
Oh.
You have a mess. You didn't clean up your mess from last night. You better get to cleaning so you can open.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Let's see what shape you have.
Hey.
You had a lettuce. What shape is that? What shape do you have?
Da.
A star?
Ada.
No, you silly.
Ada.
Yes, silly goose.
Ada.
No, silly. What shape is that? What is it?
Triangle.
That's not a triangle. What shape is that? A circle. You know that. Yeah, that's just the stabilizer leg. That makes sure your food truck doesn't flip over while you're hard at work in there.
Bye.
Good morning, sir. That's all my juices. Would you like a juice this morning?
Emo. No other guy. No other guy. No other guy.
Would you like me to tell you my flavors?
The other guy, please.
Okay. You would like a red one? A
No.
medium red?
Yeah.
Okay. A medium red smoothie coming right up. Let's look at the card.
What's
It
that?
has strawberries.
What's that?
Don't throw it in the trash. You gotta drink it.
Here's your fresh fruit smoothie. What's that?
All right, let's see how much you owe me. $2, please.
$2 for the smoothie refill.
$2, please. Excuse me, sir. $2. Thank you.
No more tea.
No more drinks? You drank all of them?
Yeah.
Man, you must have been really thirsty. Ooh, excuse you. Okay, what would you like to eat today? Look at my menu right here. Tell me what you would like.
We eat hamburger.
A hamburger?
Yeah, please.
Okay, hamburger coming right up. Let's see what we need. We need 2 buns, avocado, bacon, and burger meat. All right, let me get it out for you. It'll just take 1 minute, sir. What was that? A cookie? Okay. Let's heat up your... Okay, let's heat up your burger meat on the grill. What is that guy? You want a lot? Okay, here it comes. Your burger's coming right up, sir. Got some bacon. Okay.
2 buns.
2 buns? Order up.
2 deets.
There you go. Okay, would you like a pizza?
Yeah, please.
Okay, let's check out the pizza.
Please.
A lot? Okay, here we go.
Make a pizza. You and me. Pizza dough. Sauce and cheese. Don't forget.
I like this song. Do you like this song?
Me too. Share when it's done.
Cool. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to put your pizza on your plate because I got to pull it out of the oven. It's a little bit hot, okay? Got to be careful. Order up. What do you want? One more thing? What would you like this time?
We want guys.
You want a lot of guys? Would you like a taco?
We want.
How about a taco? I can give you a nice spicy taco. You ready? All right, let's get out the burger meat. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm open.
Dog.
I got a cute dog. Yeah, he is a cute little doggy. All right, sir. I think this is all you ordered. Okay, let's check out all you have so I can tell you how much you owe me. You have 1 burger, 1 spicy taco, and 1 pizza. Yeah, okay. It'll sit right there. Sir, would you like anything to drink?
No.
Oh, I have a refill. Here you go. There you go. What is that guy? A cookie?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like a star cookie, or would you like a circle chocolate chip cookie, or would you like both?
Both.
Okay. Here we go. Gotta heat them up on there. Okay, all done. Order up. You owe me, let's see, 1 taco, 1 pizza. It does fit. 1 hamburger, 2 cookies, and a juice. That is $15. $15, please. Thank you. All right. I hope you enjoy your food. Yeah, you can sit right there. I'll be closing in 10 minutes. You better get to eating. I'm going to clean up while you eat. Wash some dishes. Put them in the dish drain.
We're done.
You're already finished? Wow, you are a fast eater. How did it taste? Tasted good? I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you for your business. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, I won't close yet. I'll wait for you to finish. You forgot 1 more cookie. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm officially closed for the day. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining our food truck today. We hope you had fun. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.